Greetings, everybody. I thought I would make a recording of this just in case it doesn't go well tomorrow when we meet in the online environment. So I'm just going to run through this assignment, like I said, just in case, well, maybe you'll never hear this or see this. Anyway, we are replacing this assignment right here, which was the group presentation. So we didn't get to that in the over the period of the semester. So the other group managed to get this done in a class time. I'm going to give you a little bit extra time because it's a little bit different world right now. So for the most part, so that's the assignment that we are looking at right now. So what you're going to do, I've broken you down into groups. I'll explain more about that in a second. I didn't break you down into groups. Brightspace did, and so it's all very random. So you're going to open up this Domtar site. Domtar is the paper manufacturer. Okay, so this is their main Paper Because site. So you can see print ads, and then which is right here. Okay. Then we also have what we make. So there's paper, and you're going to, once we figure out which category you're in, you're going to go in here. You're going to be either in office papers, printing and publishing, digital production, inkjet, specialty technical papers, converting papers, and not our brands, just converting papers. So you'll be in one of those. I do suggest everybody kind of have a quick look at all of these, but you're going to specialize obviously in the group that you've got. Wanted to just show you a couple of things here with your paper calculators. M-weight calculator, which we've looked at. So here's your given size, width, length, basis weight, and then it will figure it out for you. Let's just try one here. 8.5 by 11, 20 pound, and bond 17 by 22. Calculate. 10M. There you go. Anyway, that's just a little add-on that I wanted to show you. Just give me a second. Okay, so back to. So you can see how the website is broken down. Okay, so in your case, we're not going to do this. I should just get rid of that. I've broken you into groups, so office papers, printing and publishing, digital and production inkjet papers, specialty and technical materials, converting papers, and then that one that's a little bit different called print ads. So what are the print ads? Okay, so as a group, you're basically going to start with what topic your group got. What type of paper falls into this category? So there's you'll see that there's different types of paper, different grades perhaps, different thicknesses, those sorts of things. You'll see some of them will be acid-free and some will not. Okay, so you want to identify some of the differences and the similarities that might appear in there. Identify the characteristics. So again, going back to the beginning, texture, line weight, subweight, things like that. And then please try to find one other link on the same topic and see if you can get a bit more information. Okay, so I again broke you down. Office papers I didn't do it. Brightspace does it. Dustin, Kate, Nico, Layla, JM, and Genevieve are going to be there. Printing and publishing, digital production, inkjet, specialty and technical, converting papers, and finally print ads. Okay, so those were broken down for us by Brightspace. So what Brightspace actually does is I asked it to give you a space where you could be in discussion with each other. So not having done this before in an online environment, we're trailblazing here. So you'll see your topics and group members. Open the website, find your topic, and prepare a PowerPoint. Now, I did not name these groups, okay? So you're just going to be working in here on your own, and you know what? You don't have to, okay? At the end of the day, you are going to post your findings in this assignment, okay? I would like you to share them. I would like everybody to see it, but you know what? We got enough stuff going on. So this is where you're going to post your findings. You can do a PowerPoint, essay. I want to make it as it doesn't have to be dazzling, obviously. Like when the other class did it, they simply, sat together for probably an hour and 10 minutes, gathered the facts. A couple of them created really nice PowerPoints with all of their information, and a few just gave a talk back. So if you want to make a voiceover recording or something along that line, that's fine too. Okay, so you're again just going to go back to answering or addressing, I suppose, excuse me, addressing these things within the assignment. Okay, so I think that's it for that one. And okay, so we'll see. We'll hold this and we'll see if we need it after tomorrow. I might even just post it tomorrow. I don't know. Okay, that's good. I'll talk to you later.